What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are the bomb.com. Now, in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my income budget and my cash breakdown and my cash stuffing for income that I received in the last week of October 2022 from my website, RochelleAdamson.com. And that includes any work that I have done virtually with any of my budgeting clients. So if that's something you want to see, then stick around. But before we begin, let's check in on my Rose Forever roses that are still not just surviving, but thriving. I don't have the green thumb, guys, so I am especially ecstatic that I can have some beautiful flowers to look at every day. They are looking great. I have been following the instructions to the T, which is nothing, hardly. And so thank you to Rose Forever for sponsoring this portion of today's video. But I just wanted to let you know that they are having a sale this month on their website, up to 70% off, y'all. Go ahead, run, don't walk. Their roses could be a great piece to add to your dinner table or to give as a special gift to someone you really care and love about. So definitely check out their website. I will have the link below. Coupon code will stay the same, RochelleA25. I will have all that listed for you in the bio. Check them out. But now let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to be working inside of my income budget planner. You know what it is. You know what it is. Grab yours, RochelleAdamson.com. And first, let's budget this money. So we are going to be working with a total income today of $1,070. And like I said, that comes from my website, RochelleAdamson.com. Thank you guys for supporting my business. And it also comes from working with any budget clients through that website. And it also includes $70 of just some miscellaneous money that was like left over in my bank account that I use for cash stuffing. So let's budget this thing. What are we going to spend it on? Well, first up, I want to contribute to our Tesla sinking fund that we use to make our monthly payment every month. It's going to get $296. Next up is the independent contractor that helps me out with my business and is amazing. She gets $200. Next is my Spanish class for my daughter and I. She is going to get, well, those instructors are getting $135. Then we have our Wi-Fi for the business, and that is going to get $125. Oh, I put $130. I just feel like Wi-Fi is forever going up for no reason. $125. It was like a little cheaper than that before. We added a cute $4 to our savings just to round out our money. Honestly, guys, this was a week where we paid bills. So I was more concerned about getting ahead and paying bills. So these are all bills that are going to be paid for November. I'm trying to get a month ahead. And then the rest is going to go to cash. So we are going to be putting $130 to the side for taxes. We are going to be putting $50 for car insurance, because it's due this month. And then we are going to have an additional $130 just to spend the way we want. We will definitely be focusing on our travel sinking funds again today and my everyday carry wallet. So that is how we are going to spend this $1,070. Now let's talk about the cash breakdown. Okay, so for the cash breakdown, we are going to go ahead and set out the categories that we already talked about. So car insurance is going to get $50. That'll be $50. Oh, I put a check mark. Okay, one $50 bill. Then taxes is going to get $130. And this is how I make sure that I have the right denomination. So if we did this right, we should have a total of $310 in cash. So first off, let me make sure that's what I have. 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 285, 290, 295, 300, 305, 310. So that is what we are working with today. Okay, so taxes is going to get, let's see, we'll do it all in 20s just to make it easy. Well, we'll do a 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, and 420s. Perfect. And then the rest we get to spend the way we want. We won't worry about that about breaking that down here, because I honestly don't even know what categories I want to contribute to yet, but we know that it's going to be, so we took the 50s out the mix and we took 420s. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 20s left. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 5s left. So if you add all of that up, 6, 9, 2, you get a total of $310. So that is how I decide my categories. First, I look at what bills need to be paid, what sinking funds have to be stuffed, so that I can be ready to pay my bills for any upcoming annual or semi-annual bills. And that's how we do it. Okay, so there's no wallet cash unstuffing this time. They're all empty. Oh, with the exception of some coins. I keep forgetting to go inside the bank, y'all, to swap out those coins that I had for dollars. But I rolled them all up. No thanks to Eva. She was no help this time, but maybe next time. And so I have like $25 to add to the Keep the Change challenge. I am so excited about that. Okay, I moved my money from out the cash tray. I'm just tired of that view. I just wanted to mix it up. So yeah, $25 coming soon to the Keep the Change challenge. But for now, I have separated all my coins. So pennies. I'll probably start a second thing for pennies. Dimes. No nickels this time. And then our first quarter. I had exactly just enough quarters last time, so that was awesome. Okay, so now let's stuff some shmoney. First off, let's get our taxes. So this is going to be taxes for my business. So let's go to the business cash envelopes. I'm so glad I thinned out that envelope last time because it was getting real. Okay, so taxes, this should be taxes, yeah. We're adding $130. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. So now we should have a total of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 305, 310, 315, 16, 17, 18, 19. So $33.19 for taxes now. And once again, that is thanks to you amazing people. $33.19. Where is my Sharpie? Not gonna worry about it. I will update that in the next video. Okay, next up, I need to add to our car insurance sinking fund, hopefully for the last time. So excited. So we are going to add $50 to that. So car insurance now has 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 750, 770, 790, 810, 830, 850, 870, 890, 895, $905. So let's see. $905. I think that is like the exact amount that I need for car insurance for the next 6 months. So I'll do an expense cash out later this month and get that done. I am so excited that I was able to fully, what is the word? I was able to save all of that money for car insurance through my business without the help of any other income. So that's what it is sometimes. Sometimes that's the win, is saving the money. So never give up, guys. I did that by saving $100 and something a month. There were a lot of months where I was not able to save that amount, but consistency is key. I put something in there every time we cash stuff together. So the rest of this money, can go to my wallet. So we have about $130 left. So I'm going to give myself $25. Groceries is going to get the usual 50, 20, 40, 45, 50. Tips is going to get 5. Eating out is going to get, what should we do? We'll do 20, 40. We'll just do 40 this time. Because per usual, it's the middle of the week almost. It's like today is Wednesday. Nothing to Hawaii. Miscellaneous will get 5. And hubby and Eva will get the last 5. And that is our cash stuffing and budget for this week, y'all. I will see you in the next video. I have a few videos coming out so that we can stay caught up. We're not getting behind again. No. But stick around with me. Don't forget to tap that like button and the subscribe button. You know what it is. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.